Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create another PSN account on your PS4. Before starting the video, subscribe to my channel and drop a like to this video. Let's get started. First go to your settings. After that go to your login settings and then go to user management. Then press create a user. After that accept this user agreement. After you accepting it, just press next, and then if you have an account, sign in with your account or create another new account. So I'm gonna create an account. After that press sign up now. Okay, it is loading, and then you need to select your country. After you selecting your country, you need to select your language and then set your birthday. After you setting all of this, press next. After that press next. After that enter your email address and then set a password. This is not your email address password, just your PSN account password. Okay guys, I'm done. After you're done, just press next, and then it will say to select an avatar. Okay guys, I'm gonna select an avatar. Okay guys, I will select this avatar. After you selecting it, press X and then create online ID and set your first name and last name. Okay guys, I'm done. After you done, press next. You can set these things as you want. I'm gonna press next to all of these. Okay guys, this is sign in family manager. I will do this later. Okay guys, now you can see account has been created. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the subscribe button and like button. I will see you guys all next time. Peace.